If you're trying to play Lost Life, it's important to understand what kind of game it is before you start. Lost Life is a psychological horror game focused on dark themes, decision making, and atmosphere rather than traditional gameplay. It's not a casual game and is intended for mature audiences only. To play it, first make sure you're downloading it from a trusted source. Lost Life is not officially available on major app stores in many regions, so people often find it through third-party sites or PC versions. Be extremely careful and avoid fake downloads that include malware. Once installed, launch the game and start a new playthrough. The game is mostly point-and-click and choice-based. You interact with objects, move between rooms, and make dialogue or action choices that affect what happens next. There is no traditional combat or leveling system. Progression comes from exploration and decisions. Pay attention to small details, visual cues, and sound effects, because they often hint at what to do next. Your choices matter. Some actions unlock new scenes, while others lead to endings or consequences that stop progression. If you get stuck, retracing steps or restarting with different choices is often required. Because of the disturbing themes, it's recommended to adjust volume, play in short sessions, and stop if the content becomes uncomfortable. Quick recap. Download safely. Understand it's a psychological horror game. Explore carefully. Make thoughtful choices, and expect multiple outcomes. Like and subscribe if I helped you.